Hello, friends! Welcome to Kids Hour. Today, we are learning about another amazing profession, the chef. Hi, friends! Do you know what a chef does? A chef cooks yummy food for us to eat. Chefs work in restaurants, bakeries, and kitchens. Can you say chef? Great job! Chefs use special tools to cook. They use spoons and forks. They use a whisk to mix. They use pots and pans to fry, boil, or cook. And guess what? Chefs wear special clothes too. They wear an apron to stay clean, and a big tall hat called a chef's hat. Let's all pretend to put on our chef's hat. Ready? Plop! Chefs cook all kinds of food: breakfast, lunch, dinner, and even snacks. Sometimes they make soup that goes bubble, bubble, bubble. Sometimes they bake cookies that smell so sweet. Let's pretend to stir a big pot together. Stir, stir, stir. Now let's pretend to flip a pancake. Flip. Yum! Chefs remind us to eat healthy foods to grow big and strong. Fruits and vegetables give us energy. Milk helps our bones, and water keeps us fresh and healthy. Let's name some yummy foods together: apples, carrots, rice, bread. What's your favorite healthy food? Chefs don't work alone. They have helpers called cooks. Sometimes they cook in teams because many hands make tasty food. When they work together, the food is ready faster. Let's clap and say, teamwork, teamwork. Today on Kids Hour, we learned about chefs. Chefs cook delicious meals, bake yummy treats, and remind us to eat healthy foods every day. Thanks for joining me today. See you next time on Kids Hour when we learn about another amazing profession. Bye-bye, friends!